Hello kids, today learning colors name and shapes name, shapes drawing and color fill. First color kids, yellow color, brown color, light green color, orange color, red color and blue color. Kids, shapes drawing, green color, circle, hexagon, star, triangle, pentagon, heart. Kids, color fill. First color kids, red color, circle, red color, yellow color kids, yellow color kids, hexagon, purple color kids, star, green color kids, triangle, brown color kids, brown color kids, pentagon, light pink color kids, light pink color kids, heart. Kids, shapes name repeat, circle, hexagon, star, triangle, pentagon, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.